Hey, it's around here. I wanted to do a review video on Leadpages. I just signed up for a free account with Leadpages because I needed to record a tutorial for it using a software that I've just launched and show how it integrates with Leadpages. And I wanted to record a tutorial while I'm at it, while I have a paid account, to show Leadpages so you can kind of get an idea for it and give you my opinion on whether it's worthwhile software or not, and so on. So I'll tell you what I like about it, what I don't like about it. The first thing I really like about it is it has really good templates. So it has a lot of website templates and lead pages or landing page templates. So you can see, you can actually go by, say, entertainment and travel. And when you click on it, it will actually appear with all the templates to do with that. So now you're going to see there's not going to be as many, but still it's pretty good that there's a whole bunch of templates. If you click on real estate, again, it's going to show you a whole bunch of them as well. And then also you can actually click on style and you can see there is different things. So you can click on colorful. You can also choose by color, things along these lines. If you click on green, it just customizes it basically. So anyway, I really like the fact that there is a lot of customization and good filtering and stuff like that. So I really like the fact that they have templates. It makes life a lot easier, so you're not starting from scratch. That's one thing that I really like about it. Okay, now we're gonna go back to the main area and I'll show you the other features. So there's a pop-ups options, which is great. Alert bars, which is great. That's fine. Pretty standard features, nothing special. But again, if you were to click on create a pop-up, for example, you can customize click-based triggers, time delay, and exit intent. So if somebody wants to leave, what do you show? What I really don't like about it is the editor and the page builder. I mean, the loading speed is so slow. It's been like this every time I've tried to log in. It doesn't matter if I'm editing a website or a landing page or a pop-up. It just takes forever for the editor to load. Now, the editor loading slow doesn't mean the page is going to load slow, but I have found that the pages also load pretty slow as well. I'm not going to go through a tutorial on this. I will leave any links that are relevant in terms of how to do the different features, but you could see like the speed, it's pretty bad. So anyway, I've definitely noticed that, and that's definitely been, in my experience, other tools are not this slow. So yeah, so that's that. Now, in terms of integrations, you should be aware about the integrations and what's available. So they have integrations with all the main players for the email marketing. The specific integrations are for email marketing because that's the whole point. You create a landing page in Leadpages and then you connect it to your email marketing platform. So Active Campaign, Aweber, Constant Contact, ConvertKit, GoToWebinar, GetResponse, Emma, I'm not even sure which one this is, Drip, Infusionsoft, MailChimp, Ontraport, and Webinar Jam. So that's great. Any other integrations have to be done only through Zapier. Okay, so these are the direct integrations, and that's great. Anything others, if you're using a different tool than this for your email marketing, then this is probably not a good choice for you. So this is a point for you to make a decision. If you use any of these tools, there's probably no, there might be a reason for you to sign up. If you're going to end up using Zapier, honestly, I think you're making your life way too complicated, so I don't recommend it. So that's that. You can add a domain name, which is great. So that's also available. I'm not going to show you that necessarily, but you can actually add a domain name, which simply means that instead of the page saying lpages.co or whatever, then it's going to actually have your name basically for either your domain name, for your website, or for your landing page. So that's also a possibility. Again, you could see how slow it loads, right? So it definitely takes way too long in my opinion. So I'm doing a demo, confettidemo.lpages.co. Now I'll show you how it looks like in the editor. That's kind of the last thing I want to show you as well. So I'm going to go to a landing page that I only used the template for demonstration purposes. I didn't really customize the template as such, but I wanted to show you. And that, again, it's loading. The loading speed is just like atrocious. So anyway, by the way, I will give you an alternative and go over the pricing in a moment as well, because I think that is important. It's good that they have stats on unique visitors, conversions, conversion rate, and stuff like that. And you can click on analytics, which is really good. I'm going to go to the editor now. Again, this is taking like way too long. By the way, they have a partner called attract.io, which is a software to create lead magnets. If you need to create a lead magnet, this is a free tool that you can use. And looks like it's a partner of Leadpages. This is actually, I know the company, but looks like either they either pay them or it's a paid partnership, or maybe they bought the company, I'm not sure. But anyway, it's a good tool. Attract.io, I've used it before. So anyway, you can see here the editor tool. So you can click here and change the text. So it's pretty straightforward on how it all works. And also you can click, let's say here, click on the edit, and you can see customize the button. If you scroll to the bottom, again, you can see like the loading speed is awful, right? So, okay, if I move it, line spacing. Okay, so this is the line spacing inside. Pill line gradient. Full width. Yep. Primary. You can edit the styles. Border radius. Okay, it's got all the standard features, really. Nothing special. You know, it's all good. If you want to make it larger like so. Okay, now you've got sections. Again, what's really good about it is you have a lot of different templates. So logos, pricing. Let's say you click on pricing, you'll be able to see a lot of different options. So that's really good. You can drag and drop them in. Drag them in. So that's good. Make this a button that goes somewhere. Where does it go? Click event. Open Calendly, link to an external link, lead to a landing page. Okay, all the standard features. You can see there's other different options here. It doesn't have to be about. You can actually click on call to action, logos, click on all sections, and then you'll be able to see all the different templates as well. So, and also you have layouts, which is also another really clever way. Then you can add widgets, so you can have text, image and text, video, form, progress bar, open table, embed, checkout. Okay, you got to be on the pro plan if you want to accept payments. I'll show you the pricing in a moment. Calendly embed. Okay, that's good. Styles. Okay, so you can customize the styles and the branding of the page overall, which is very good. Do the favicon, add any custom code, which is also good. And this is all the SEO related content, which is also very good, but they have all that. The social sharing section, which is great. Analytics, so you can put any sections like Google Analytics, Facebook, stuff like that. Okay, so that's all good. You can see the layouts, and you can also add sections. So that's also good because you can actually move things over. So you can actually click here and drag it up or down. So that's another good little option. So overall, pretty easy to use. So yeah, there's always a learning curve, right? But overall, I think it's a pretty good software for just creating a specific landing page. Now, even though the features, obviously you got to get used to it. I mean, I've not built websites on Leadpages. However, I want to go through the pricing with you and show you why I don't recommend you using it. Unfortunately, I will have a link below. I think I'm even an affiliate, but it's just not what I would recommend you use, and I'll show you why. So you can see here the different features: 37 a month or 74 a month. Now, if you're to pay yearly and go with this plan, you end up paying, so do the math, $74 multiplied by 12, that's $888 a year. Okay, now if you pay $888 a year, I'm going to show you my preference. Like if you were to go to system.io as an example, right? System.io /pricing. I'm going to show you the comparison. Like if you could pay $88 a year for 3 sites, landing pages, pop-ups, custom domain, 40 integrations, online sales, and payments, that's all nice and well, okay? However, if you're to go to System.io for the same price, pay for the annual, $828 a year for unlimited contacts. So your email marketing is included, sales funnel steps, blogs, blog posts, courses, students, communities, file storage, video hosting, automation rules, workflows, email campaigns, upsells, order bumps, coupon codes, deadline funnel, Stripe, PayPal, all these other payment options, run your own affiliate program, unlimited custom domain, webinars, and they will migrate your website totally free of charge. So if you're using Leadpages as an example, System.io, like in terms of pricing, there's just not even a comparison on the value you're getting. And System.io Builder is easier to use than Leadpages. So that's my personal opinion. It's not that it's a bad tool, it's a good tool. But if I was to just give you an honest opinion and comparison, I think System.io is just way better. So Anyway, this is not meant to be a comparison video of Leadpages to System. I just wanted to give you a better review on Leadpages and give you that opinion. But I would definitely go with System.io for sure. So there you go. Anyway, you wanted to show it to you. Again, I love the templates. They done a great job. System.io also have templates. So you can actually look at my YouTube channel. I've got a tutorial about the templates. And I also have a templates and coaching membership where I provide templates as well. But yeah, if I was to make a choice between the two, no question, I would go System.io. Just want to give you this feedback and a review on Leadpages and show you a little bit behind the scene on how it looks. If you have any questions or any other reviews you want me to do, please leave a comment below with the name of the software you want me to do a review on, and I'm happy to do that. Thanks a lot. I'll speak to you soon.